Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add personal information to the Invoice2go account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and after that click on this button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on personal info. Here you should see that the first section is the email address. So this is your account login, and that the email uses to communicate with you. So that the application uses to communicate with you. You can update it by tapping on the update button. You can also add your phone number. Here you can select your country, and then you can type in your phone number. So this will be your business phone number, and after adding it, an SMS will be sent to you to verify it. Then you can also add your communication preferences, such as your email, and here you can select whether you want to get an email about the business resources, fundamentals, product updates, special offers, and you can also turn on the push notifications about important alerts, tips and news. Click on the save button, tap on allow in order to allow the application to have access to your notifications and send you reminders. So that's how you can update the personal information section on this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.